Hello everybody and welcome to Wildcat Hollow Farm. This is Petra and I have a special announcement to make today. It is a very special day. About 10 months ago our journey began. Mike and I bought a farm in the US in Missouri in the Ozarks, and we were planning to live there soon, and in January we started applying for my visa to get the green card that would allow me to live in the States. We now have, the 28th of October, and it has been a long journey, a hard journey, and let's put it this way, they didn't make it easy. We had to jump through a lot of hoop holes to get to where we're at now, and it cost a lot of strength, a lot of nerves, and a lot of pain before we were finally granted the visa. And today, actually just about 10 minutes ago, the doorbell rang and UPS brought this package, and yes, you're guessing right. In this package is a whole lot of stuff. In this package is a package that says, do not open, this is for the US Immigration Service, so don't touch, don't open, don't mess with it, just put it away safely, take it with you. Of course I'm going to do that. And also in here, in this package, oh my god, it's gone, where is it? No, it is here, is my passport. This is my German traveling passport, and in this passport it now says US visa, and this visa is good until the 2nd of March 2020, and it means I can fly to the States sometime in between there and then. I have no words to express what this feels like. It's just downright crazy, totally crazy. I'm so relieved and so grateful, especially grateful to the best friends that one could have. V&L, you know who I'm talking about. Without you guys, this would not be possible, and I sorry, have no words, none whatsoever, to express the gratitude I feel that you guys make this possible. And today I'm going to call the airline, and as soon as I get a hold of them, to check out what it takes for me to get all the information for having the dog fly with me. I will book a flight, and my intention is to book a flight for the beginning of February. That way I will be with my love on my birthday, so we can celebrate my birthday on the farm together. That's the plan, and Nothing's gonna stop that now. I hope. Unless the airplane falls down, which I hope it wasn't. It's not going to. I didn't want to make this video because of that. Because I'm not good with expressing my feelings on camera or wanting to put them out for the world to see, but this I just guess I had to share with everybody, especially with my love, because he's feeling just like I am. And hang on. I can't see the camera anymore. There, that's better. Anyway, I'm thrilled, I'm excited, I'm happy, more happy than I thought possible. And I will book a flight, and in 12 weeks, around 12 weeks, I still have to work for a few more weeks, but in short 12 weeks, I will be in the US. I will see our home for the first time in person, and I'm thrilled, and I can't wait to get there and to meet all you guys. And I am very, very, very happy because of this. See you guys soon. That's it for today.